The purpose of this video is to answer the question, how does our frame attach to our brass side posts? Since steel can't be welded to brass, the answer lies in a stainless steel loop that's cast into the back of the female. The other part of the puzzle, a tapered wedge pin, which will drive inside the tube into that loop, holding it to the tube. In this case, we have a headboard tube with a slot cut in it that will fit over perfectly that loop in the back of the female. The tube is laid down on the female and the wedge pin is inserted. The pin is slid up beyond where the loop is, and the tube is set down back over the loop, and we use a long rod to drive in that pin. Now the footboard is a little different. Slots are cut in the side posts, same as on the headboard, but in this case the pin, the tapered pin, will not slide past the machine screw holding the bottom horizontal in. So we have to remove that machine screw, slide the pin into position above the loop, set the tube back down, and then reinsert the machine screw, connecting it to the bottom horizontal. At this point, the pin can be driven in, just as it was on the headboard. Of course, this has to be accomplished on both sides, both posts. And one last question is, how far in should that tapered wedge pin be driven? We like to drive it in at least half the length of the pin, as shown here. And there you have it.